Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2019 Nissan Maxima SR. This one is the Midnight Pack, so it has black wheels, black spoiler. Looks absolutely gorgeous. SR. Look at this thing. Dual sunroof. So with the SR, you get suede inserts on the steering wheel, which feel great. These large paddle shifters, orange stitching, 360 camera. But without further ado, oh, you also have this sport button, which I think comes on every trim level, but is a nice touch. Brings up your sport display. Maxima's slogan is 4DSC, 4-door sport car. So does it live up to that? It does. It really does. This is a lot more fun than it needs to be. Handles very well. Power is great. From an NA35 V6, you get 300 horsepower. While one downside is the fact it is mated to a CVT, this CVT suits the powertrain very well and it keeps it in its power band. If you're going to have a CVT, make it work with the motor, and this one does work with this powertrain, so it kind of makes it a little bit more tolerable. Brakes are good. This one, like I said, 2019, 16,221 miles. But thing feels like brand new. So you might be wondering, CVT has no gear ratios. It may mimic gear shifts, but there's no actual set gears. How does a manual mode work? Well, the computer gives gear ratios, and that's essentially what you're going with. So let me sum this car up. It's a good car. Yeah, CVT, some people are gonna love it, some people are gonna hate it. It works in this car. I'd be curious to try it with a 7-speed torque converter out of the Q50, but in its current application, it doesn't prevent me from liking the car. And that's a big statement too. Because if a transmission ruins the experience, you don't want to drive the car. This CVT works well enough that I'm okay with driving the car, loving it, regardless. Paddle shifters do add a nice touch to the experience. So let's say you're going down a mountain on a back road and you want a little bit more engine braking, want the RPMs to stay higher, the paddles work for that. It's perfect. For a front-wheel drive platform, it drives very well. Handles great, and it's just a good car. Is it a 4-door sports car? I believe it is. Not to the extent of an M3, but to enough of an extent where for the price point, I believe this is one of the better driving, or best driving, one of the best driving sedans out there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.